Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm replacing the foot on our trailer. On our last trip, I missed a turn, so I had to pull in this parking lot and turn around. Well, the hump was a little bit deeper than I thought, and it actually came down and hit the foot of the trailer. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but it cracked it right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and we got a new foot from eTrailer.com, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace this foot real quick. It's actually got a wider base. I kind of like that anyways, but should be as simple as popping this pin out, sliding it out like that, putting the new one on. Slide that up in there, find the hole. No, don't drop things. New foot is on. Okay, another casualty that we had in our long trip. I noticed on the way from New Mexico to Texas that this fender was kind of flopping around a little bit. So when we got to the beach, I started messing with it and noticed that the holes were actually stripped out of the fender. They use these big gnarly self-tappers, which that's great, except if you torque them too much, as you can tell by the hole, it just pulled right through, because this is just thin, 18 gauge, 14 gauge, well, probably not even, maybe even 24 gauge, but it's not very thick. So you over torque something like this, it's just going to pull right through. So I messed with it a little bit, tried to, because I didn't have no tools, no screws with me that I could fix it there. So I did a little makeshift, put some tape on it to kind of more of like a thread sealer. That held for a while. We got about 100 miles away from home. I was keeping an eye on it, and it actually went ahead and fell down onto the tire. So I pulled over and just went ahead and pulled it the rest of the way off, threw it in the back of the truck, and drove on home. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go ahead and take this tire off, and I'm going to remount this with littler self-tapping screws, and not torque them down so much so they don't pull through the metal. So that way we don't have this problem again. Okay, so that took a total of maybe 5 minutes to fix, but now it's nice and sturdy. We should get a lot of miles out of that.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. We hope to see you again on our next happy adventure.